Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and visiting with me. Today I'm going to be sharing a layout in my scrap therapy book. I think I'm quickly approaching the end of this scrap therapy book because it's getting bulkier. These are 3 inches. My intent is to use a 2.5 or 2-inch wide, but every time that I go to the store they don't have them and they're sold out, so I've kind of just been waiting. I don't know how many more pages this can take, and so I think I'm quickly approaching that state where I'm gonna have to switch to a new one. And I wanted to do one more, well, hopefully one more layout, but well, obviously I'm gonna do one more layout, but hopefully I could get a couple more and then we are going to call it a day for this, and then we can start the new one. So the layout for today, right, it's gonna be kind of inspired by this one because this is just a printout in paper and it's so flimsy. It's literally like printing paper. Like they just printed a picture in regular copy paper, and it was so flimsy. I got so tired of it roaming everywhere and I needed to find a home. I kept it in between my scrap papers, then I would move it to the box, the picture box or the photo box, and then I would move it out of there and try to find, and I just never could find a place for it. So I'm glad it turned out. And then I realized, well, shoot, I have a card that I made. This is like my early stages of card making, okay? So don't judge me. Judge me kindly. And this is how I announced that we were having a boy. Obviously, when our son, it was, you know, when I was pregos with my son, I just made little cards like this and I send it off to family, and inside here was a picture of little Mike, just like that. And that's how we announced that we were pregnant or expecting. I know it's like, guys, this is like over a decade ago, over 15 years ago, okay? So I was in my infancy stages of crafting, so please judge me kindly. So anyway, so I decided to finally get rid of this, and I was able to lift this is actually in photo paper, and I was able to lift it out, and now I want to make it into a better home. So I have this picture of Michael. I have washi tape right here because Michael was actually born in a military hospital and it has like private information, but once I'm done with the layout and everything, then I'll just remove it and, like, you know, create the layout basically. So I also have this poem that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, like seriously, like last year, and it's a mother quote or poem. And I just thought I would include it somehow, some way, especially if I do these back to back. Because I think, honestly, like, I pride myself in being a good mom. And I hope that someday when my kids get older, they see the sacrifice and the love that their mother had for them. Like, seriously, my whole world revolves around them. And so, I don't know. So I thought I would use it and create a layout for my son's ultrasound picture, which is the first picture of both of them, to be honest. The picture of Mike, and look, you could clearly see his little chubby face. And then, I don't know if I showed you Adriana. Like, you can clearly see her little face. She's laying this way. Oops. She's laying this way because the ultrasound printout was so big, but her little nose is like right there in her face, and then look how gorgeous she is now. You guys see? She's such a, that's why it's called Blooming with Grace. Anyways, in my chubby face of a son over here, so adorable. So I'm gonna be working on the layout. I'm gonna put you guys on speed mode because I have no plan. I have to play around. I want to use some of the paper that, I don't know if I'm going to create a layout or end it here. And I don't know if this page right here Where's that one that I didn't have filled out? You guys, did I seriously just lose that paper? Where is it? Give me 1 second. I seriously just lost the page. Where did it go? This, no, not that one. This one. I don't know if that would be too girly for him. I mean, it's really my scrapbook therapy book. My scrapbook therapy book. It's really my scrap therapy book, so it doesn't matter. I can make it girly if I want to. I just don't know. I should do it though because it's my book. Who cares if I make it girly? And Michael is the firstborn, so he should be up front before his sister. So anyways, I'm gonna put you guys on speed mode. I just wanted to tell you, give you a little introduction of the layout that we're gonna be creating, and then I'll see you guys at the end. Okay, well, it's not perfect, you guys, but I did the best I could. And there. Now I can just pull it out of the tab. So I am going to leave you guys here. Basically what I'm going to do is honestly go in and journal in the front and back of this card and then just put it in there. And this is our layout. I kept this part very simple, mostly because the focus I wanted to be the mother poem. And I don't know if you guys saw, but I used a pencil to create like an outline around the sticker, just so that it gives it a little bit of the shadow in there. And I hope that you like this idea of using the packaging as a pocket behind your photo cluster. So that's it for today, you guys. I'm gonna sit here, turn off my camera, journal about this day and about my son, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.